Hey guys, it's been about a week and a half, I think, since my last YouTube video. I am going to take you guys outside and share with you guys like our pool and everything that we've done. It's another section of the backyard that we've worked on. I've shared the fire pit. I will link that down below in the description box. Before I go outside, can I just show you how freaking cute these sandals are? I love this thick like arched area that they put in the sandal. When I shared these on Insta stories too, so many of you guys were DMing me saying that you have these and they're so comfortable. They literally just arrived today from Target online. And I slid my feet into them and I was like, oh my gosh, now I know what everyone's talking about. I love the rose gold. So these are Target. So these came from Target along with, they came with my new fitted flat sheet. And then I have a new duvet cover. So stay tuned for that video. But I will just leave a link to the sandals in the description box so you guys can just check them out online. Okay, let's go outside. By the way, my kitchen tour is coming up next. My summer decorated kitchen tour, so stay tuned for that too. So one thing that we did add around the fire pit are we strung more of the bistro lights all through the patio and across. And then I got some hanging pots. That one, rip. It's just too dang hot here, you guys, seriously. I'm trying to keep these ones alive. These two are barely surviving, this one and that one, and I water them enough, and anyway, they'll probably die too. Then Kev wanted to add misters, so we have misters all the way around the patio. And this is an old house. It's, you know, 42 years old. So if you see something ugly, well, it's a fixer-upper. So we have the misters going all the way around, and I will turn those on later and share that with you guys and show you how we turn them on and how we use it. It's really nice to be sitting under the patio and have the misters going. And here is the pool. We have a sand pump, because sand pumps are much nicer. We have a Summer Waves Elite pool. I know there's Intex pools too. Ours is 16 feet by 42 inches. So the first thing we did is we leveled out the ground, we as in Kevin. So once it was all leveled out, Kevin and Preston laid down two big tarps. One of them came with our pool kit. And then after they laid down the tarps, they brought the pool out, set the pool down, formed it all out, filled it all up. Once it was completely filled, then we added a bunch of salvaged rock here and here from the yard, because they used to have a beautiful yard at one point. So we salvaged what we could, and then we had to go to a rock yard and pick out rock that was similar to do the back side. And over here, it's all trimmed out with wood, so it's its own little area. We bought some little cement pavers. We had some extra rocks, so we just stuck those there. Then I went online because I wanted to find some kind of a shade cover. So I found this huge 10-foot shade cover just because it helps keep the pool cooler and the kids won't get as sunburnt, even though we have sunblock. And we just simply did cement in the ground, pull, and then Kevin added, you know, the right little tools and anchors and what have you to add the shade. When his parents were just here, we talked about how we wanted to elevate this side up more. So him and his dad went to Home Depot and got a metal pole and extended it up. So now this is raised higher. So I will link to this down in the description box. This I believe was $40. The pool was about $200, and then the nice sand pump was like $135. So I've had these little bouncy chairs from my parents, and yes, this is the main part of the yard. Not done. We'll have a garden back here, all grass. We're gonna trim all this off, and it's gonna be sand all the way around here because it's near the pool, and we're gonna do horseshoe over here. And again, all this will be grass, but it's too hot to plant seed now. And then back there we'll have a cute fence with the archway going into the garden, and then the fire pit's over here. So back to the chairs. My parents gave me these chairs a million years ago. I still have them. The bicycle pillows are from Home Depot. The turquoise cushions, they're actual pillows, but I'm using them as cushions because these suckers are not cheap. I got the turquoise big pillow cushions at TJ Maxx. They were, I think, $19.99 each. Then at Home Depot, I wanted to hang little hooks for their goggles, and these are like hook baskets. So they have the little hooks too. So the hooks are attached to the little baskets, and they can put their goggles in here. Like there's a headband in here, so just goggles, wallets, keys, just stuff that you take off if you forgot. And then the hooks, and there's some more right here. And their hooks are for their towels. So that's all right there. And then I have a basket for sunblock right next to the hook baskets and their towels. And then this is a salvaged piece of pallet wood. My husband turned this into a door. It used to be our pantry door. And I decided to keep it and hang on to it. So it's sitting on top of our old laundry room cupboards. There's Buddy. He hates the water. And I just went to Home Depot and picked up 4 wood legs, and Kevin installed, you know, or attached the legs to the laundry room cupboards, and now we have just extra storage for towels or pool sand or whatever. And set the pallet wood on top, and it's just like a cute little counter, buffet, storage, you name it, little station. And Kevin then installed speakers. The stereo system's in this storage room, which I'm not even going to show you guys that because it's disgusting. Eventually we'll probably paint the cords to match the siding, but I really don't care because it's the backyard, and eventually we'll be replacing the siding because it's gross and old. So he hung a speaker here, there's one here. The wrought iron or metal flowers are from Pier 1. That cute little sign is from Home Goods, so you can see worn off paint on the siding because it's old. So that's this little area over here. And I like to sit like right here with the misters on me and listen to the radio while the kids play in the pool. Well, that is it, you guys. This is another stage of our backyard. Hopefully the next stage will be grass and trees and bushes and a garden and hopefully a nice new patio, because we're going to retreat the whole cement patio and do some nice rugs and patio furniture. I mean, put on the list, right? The list never ends. So little by little, but we really wanted the kids to have a nice pool to enjoy in this 98 to 110 southern Utah summer heat. So thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys again when I come back to film my summer kitchen tour.